So in our last episode or series of episodes, we've demonstrated how the smart data can help you reconcile whether it's a dual records reconciliation or a single records reconciliation or filter or data consolidate and the rest. So we've demonstrated how it actually works, but there are some complexity built into this Excel function. So it does not just reconcile a single sheet, it can simultaneously reconcile data across several sheets. What am I saying? For example, if you have like an Excel file having several sheets of data, and then probably you need to reconcile those sheets or make the function capture all those sheets. Most of the Excel tools and matching tools I've come across can only reconcile or work on a single sheet at a time. But we've actually done something that is very unique that can make you do that across sheets. Even if your sheet is 10 or 20 sheets, it will definitely look at everything as a single file and give you what you actually want. So in our last episode, we've demonstrated how to use the dual record match across several sheets. So in this particular episode, we would look at how that can also be applied to a single record match as well as the filter function. So what you just need to simply do is to come to our smart data tab, which is inbuilt already. And then since we are looking at the single record match, we'll just click on the single record match as we have it here and follow the prompts, the simple prompts, and then you're good to go. So I'll just quickly follow all the prompts here. You can see before I click on OK, you can see that there are several sheets in this settlement report Excel workbook. I have at least 5 sheets. So I want it to identify unique entries and duplicated entries across all the 5 sheets. So once I click on OK, you will see that it will actually do that across all sheets almost instantly. So it will also give you a nice summary report. So it identified 49,000 plus unique entries and 210 duplicated entries. So by the time you look at each of the individual records, you see that there is a change. There are new 2 additional columns added, the generated ID and the match status. So the match status tells you, okay, what was the frequency of each of these unique ID in the Excel? Is it appearing once? If it's appearing once, you will see unique. If it's appearing more than once, you see duplicated. So across all sheets, it has automatically given you that match status report. It's almost like magic, right? So that's for the single record match. So let's also look at for the filter function. So what I'll just do here, I've actually extracted some unique ID. I've extracted some unique ID across all the 5 sheets, which I actually have it here. So I want my filter function to extract the full details of each of all these unique ID across all the sheets. So what I'll just do is I'll go to my initial reports, click on smart data, click on the filter function, click on the column for the unique ID, okay, okay, and then go to where I have the unique ID. So I extracted all this unique ID across all the 5 sheets in the settlement report and click. So what I'll just do is click on OK. Once I click on OK, you'll see what will happen. Voila. So you have all the unique ID extracted automatically across the unique ID across the 5 sheets. So for example, if I copy this in the original report sheet, it is actually in sheet 1. So this is it. So it extracted everything across all the sheets. So the same thing if I copy, let's say this last sheet, I copy this last sheet from sheet 5. So if I go to sheet 5 and search for it will definitely give me, see, it extracted everything. So if you're actually interested in installing these amazing functions in your Excel, simply reach out to me by commenting savvy with your email address, and then I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you very much and see you later.